YouTube, what's up, what's up, what's up? Real quick, hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. This morning, we're going on the first. It's hard to say first ride because I rode it before. But the first ride since we fixed it. How about that? On the Harley Road Glide 2010. Stayed up last night, buttoning everything up. The only question I got slick about this bike is them shocks. They deflate pretty fast. So what I'm probably going to do is take them panels off and get some soap and water and see if it's leaking from somewhere. But I got my Bluetooth wireless phone hooked up. I got my helmet. I got multiple helmets, but this is a helmet. I had to put it in the oven to kind of reshape it because I got an oblong shaped head. So I got my helmet. I got the windscreen on. I got the music on, of course. I'm gonna ride to AutoZone to give me some non-wax soap so I can go in here, because you see that motor is thirsty. But I'm gonna go in and wipe it down, wash her, get that pig spit on it, and hopefully go on a real ride today. Oh, I gotta go get some. I gotta call and put some insurance on this thing, cause I ain't trying to ride dirty. But I'm gonna ride down my block and come back. So y'all gonna be here for the first official cold start that y'all seen with the mufflers on, and we're gonna spin the block, come back, call, get the insurance put on it, and ride the AutoZone. But she ready. She really ready. She rides good. This is my first bagger without bags, but yeah, first bagger. First Harley I've ever owned. I didn't even turn the music on. I just wanted to listen to her, make sure everything sounded good, didn't smell anything funny. I'm about to run to AutoZone and get some car wash so I can wash it up. And this is going to be my Achilles heel, I bet. I gotta find a way to keep this on. I know what I can do, get some double-sided tape and put on here. Just put it like right there, skinny piece, just so it can stay on. I'm gonna go to Harley and see if I can find and get the, I know there's a trim piece that's supposed to go here, and this still goes on, but there's a trim piece that goes on top of this with this particular windshield, because with the little slots in it like this. So I'm probably gonna order that, but just trying to, you know, ride this weekend. I did get the insurance on her, so I'm insured. I got a copy of my title, and hopefully my license plate, my applied for license plate should be in shortly. But I'm gonna probably go, I gotta make an appointment Monday or Tuesday to get it inspected. But yeah, for right now, I'm about to ride to AutoZone and get me some wax-free soap, because all the soap I got here got carnauba wax in it. My homeboy told me to use some Dawn, but I know that's not good for paint. So yeah, I'll be back. YouTube. Alright, man, this is my first ride on Meg on the street. Baggers ride way different than sports bikes. I'm used to riding on the Boosie. I don't know if you can see it. So I know how to control. I know how she wiggle and shake and how to maneuver and the weight. But it's gonna take some getting used to that. I mean, it's doable. Don't get me wrong. It's just two different animals. Especially with the apes. But I like it. It's comfortable. I can't wait to get my saddleman seat. Not saying this, that little short ride hurt me by no means, but the extended reach where I can sit back a little bit more on the bike, you know, 2-3 inches. And man, I'm gonna love it. I'm about to wash her up real quick. I got some, let me see. I just ran to AutoZone. I didn't know where I put it. It's in here somewhere. Oh, here we go. So yeah, I got some snow foam wash. It says it's good for wax and ceramic, whatever. But yeah, put the washer down real quick. Pig spit the motor, and hopefully go on a little ride today. Nothing too far, nothing too fancy, you know. Yep. we already got a pig spit up. You see that thing looking pretty clean now. I might go over a few spots I saw. Hold up. Copyright, copyright. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hopefully it's ain't enough time. Alright, so anyway. So I gotta, she ain't gonna be sparkling because she ain't brand new. But she's date worthy, you know what I'm saying? She was divorced, but hey man, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Got that thing all pig spit up. Yeah boy. Ready to ride.